In this video, I will show you how to fix the black screen issue in Google Chrome so you can get your browser working normally again. To get started, what you want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, type Chrome. Underneath Best Match, you should see the Google Chrome app come up. Give it a right click, and what you want to do is click onto Open File Location. What I was going to do is open a window like this, and it should automatically select Google Chrome. Then what you want to do is again right click onto Google Chrome, and this time you want to come and click onto Show More Options, and then click the option which says Create Shortcut. Now what it's going to do is ask if you want the shortcut to be placed on the desktop. Just click yes, and then if we come back to our desktop, we should now have our Google Chrome shortcut. From here, right click onto your newly created shortcut, and on this menu that comes up, you want to click onto Properties. Once you've done that, you're going to get the Google Chrome Properties window come up, and what you want to do is come down to where it says Target, come all the way to the end of the target line, put a space, and then put the following command, which is a dash disable dash GPU. Once you've done that, click Apply and OK, and then what you want to do is open Google Chrome using this shortcut. So once you've got Google Chrome opened, what you want to do now is come up to the address bar at the top and type the following, which is Chrome followed by a colon // and then flags. Hit enter. That's going to take you to a screen like this. And from here, you want to come to the search box at the top and type choose angle graphics backend. You should see a result come up like this. What you want to do is come to the right hand side, click onto the drop down box and make sure this is set to default. Once that's done, it's going to ask you to relaunch Chrome. So what you can do is just close down Chrome. You can also delete the shortcut now as we no longer need this. And you should now hopefully be able to open Chrome without the black screen issue. So that's how to fix Chrome black screen. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.